Best potato face packs for glowing and smooth skin. I will take 1 potato. Potato provides relief to sun-damaged skin. It is anti-inflammatory, it improves complexion, it brightens skin. Potatoes constitute naturally produced hyaluronic acid, which moisturizes, replenishes, and hydrates skin. Grate the potato. Potato pulp in skincare can help to calm inflamed and irritated skin because it contains natural enzymes that help to reduce inflammation. It can help to lighten skin tone, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and help to remove dark circles and bags under the eyes. Potatoes contain an enzyme called catecholase, which is helpful in reducing dark spots and making the skin look even-toned. Extract the juice of the grated potato. Potato and oatmeal are great for absorbing excess oil from your skin and removing all the dirt and grease. Regular application of potato juice imparts a healthy glow to your skin. It also helps to soften your skin as well as keep wrinkles at bay. Daily application of potato juice reduces the facial swelling, and if you want to bleach your skin the natural way, then nothing can beat the power of a potato. Potato juice can also aid in decreasing the appearance of hyperpigmentation. I will take 1 tomato. Grate the tomato. Tomato for the face is an excellent idea. From shrinking the pores to removing blackheads and boosting collagen production, the antioxidants. Tomato for the face is an excellent idea. From shrinking the pores to removing blackheads and boosting collagen production, the antioxidants. This helps to cleanse the skin, especially if you have oily skin, large pores. Juice is a natural astringent. This means that it contracts skin cells and promotes youthful skin. Tomato benefits in skincare. Tomatoes contain powerful antioxidants and vitamins. Tomatoes contain powerful antioxidants and vitamins. Tomatoes contain B vitamins, helping to even skin tone. Extract the juice of the grated tomato. It can repair damaged skin as well as restore its natural as well as healthy glow. Reduces oiliness, prevents acne, tightens pores. Tomato is the best ingredient for skincare if you have oily or acne-prone skin. The juice of tomatoes helps in shrinking open pores caused by acne and the natural astringent properties present in. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and may help in reducing inflammation, eliminating blemishes, and improving skin radiance. Helps reduce oily skin. Tomato can help reduce excess oil on the skin, which can reduce breakouts, prevents acne. Add potato juice. Rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals and protect the skin from environmental damage. Tomatoes aid in reducing skin oiliness without affecting the natural oils for a healthy skin. I will take the lemon juice. Reduces dark spots. One of the most common benefits of lemon includes its ability to reduce pigmentation and help in skin lightening. Collagen is what is responsible for maintaining the elasticity of your skin. Few drops lemon juice. Since lemon juice can get rid of dead skin cells, the theory is that it might also alleviate skin patches attributed to psoriasis and dandruff. Add few drops glycerin. Glycerin helps to attract moisture to the skin and thus keeps your skin glowing. It helps to relieve dryness and make the skin soft and smooth. Glycerin and sensitive skin. Glycerin is also a good choice for sensitive skin. Glycerin helps your skin heal and helps fight fungal infections like eczema. Along with potatoes, it can treat wrinkles and tighten the skin. Apply on the face with the help of a cotton ball. Apply it on the face and leave it for 20 minutes and wash it off. Tomatoes, potatoes, and lemon are an effective combination to fight acne. Glycerin is highly effective in replenishing skin's elasticity.